Hi everyone! So if you're curious about Osmosis Rescue, keep on watching because that's what I'm talking about today. So I am Madelaine Caissie. I'm the owner and founder of Sparkle Lifestyle MediSpa. It's a medical aesthetic practice in Moncton, New Brunswick, Canada. And I will give you, my review about Osmosis Skincare. The rescue, especially the rescue one. So first I need to have a disclaimer that I carry that line, but I still wanted to, tell you why I think it's amazing and why I decided to carry it, right? So if I carry it, I think it's because it's awesome. I would not suggest product to my client that I don't even believe in myself, that's for sure. And we have a lot, we have an online store, so we have plenty of other product, but this is probably our number one SKU at Sparkle. So that may help you in your decision. I think it's a serum that most people need, they don't even realize. Because I always say that the biggest factor of aging, hyperpigmentation and all that is the sun, right? You need to protect your skin against the sun. Then what you put in your body will really affect your results and your skin in general. But another thing that people sometimes don't realize is the inflammation in your skin. How much damage inflammation does to your skin. And this product here is the only one, or the best one I should say, that really calms the inflammation of your skin, and it's crazy how fast it does it. So it's a 30 ml product. It comes in a pump type of like that. It's just a pump. If you're really inflamed, if you have a lot of redness, and a sign of inflammation would be enlarged pore, like dull skin, redness, cheap inflammation. Maybe you put your product, it sting. That's all sign of inflammation, and inflammation can be internal or external. And they actually have a product called immune activator. This is pretty much the same product, but this version you can ingest it to calm inflammation in your skin, and this one is more epidermal. So an example for me, I'm an acne prone skin, and that's why I love this product so much. If I'm about to have a breakout, I'm just gonna apply this product. You're just gonna calm things down versus using a harsh exfoliant, which sometimes it's our go-to when we have acne. We're just we want to exfoliate everything, but sometimes exfoliating, if it's not your right skin type, can create even more inflammation, right? So having something like that will calm, soothe, really help if you're about to have a breakout. Love this product. If you have more an internal inflammation, like melasma or something like that, that's where I would suggest the immune activator to just internally. So same type of product. So I would apply my rescue morning and night until probably for 2 weeks, because it takes 4 weeks to rebuild your epiderm. Your epiderm is everything. You need to have a strong and healthy epiderm, and this is what this product does. Because when you have an epiderm that's healthy, fluffy, thick, it really protects yourself against the environment and the pollution and all that, right? Because and that's the whole philosophy behind Osmosis. They're all about rebuilding your skin the way it used to when you were 10 years old, right? And when back then we had a thick, plump, nice skin. So and I found now people have tendency to exfoliate and use hard ingredient and all that, but it's almost we're fighting against your skin. We need to nourish your skin in a way that your skin have the nutrient and what it needs to actually re-become what it used to be. Rescue is definitely my first step for most of my clients, because if let's say I'm suggesting a vitamin C, which I love, okay, I love vitamin C so much, and I love vitamin A actually, but it needs to be used well, because those two products, if they're not the right one for you, if the strength of the vitamin C is too high, the strength of vitamin A, it can create more inflammation and more damage, right? So, and if I'm applying those products on a skin that's already inflamed, I'm just going to create more inflammation, because your skin just is trying to heal itself. It doesn't want to have like more harsh ingredient, or like it's not really harsh vitamin C and vitamin A if you're using the right one. But again, like if your skin is not ready to absorb all those nutrients, like it will, like it's a waste of your money. So starting with Rescue, probably, it really depends on your skin type, but if you're really, really inflamed, I would probably say to start using Rescue morning and night for 2 weeks, and slowly try incorporating a product like Calm. Calm is really like a soothing, calming. It's a vitamin A, so actually you get like anti-aging properties from this product. It's a retinaldehyde, so it's soothing, it's nice, but you get like that calming that I'm looking for. So, and after 2 weeks, that's where you can kind of like maybe just use Rescue once a day, and then you would use Calm at night. That's kind of where I would do. If you're more like acne prone like me, and I have like, oh my god, my skin is like crazy breakout, but I'm not really sensitive. I get breakout for just thinking about it as soon as I touch my face or anything. So I would start with Rescue, and then add, I think it's the one here. No, it's not this one. This one is Clarify. So you would apply Clarify, still a vitamin A, still anti-aging, but that will really help to prevent breakouts and soothe everything. So Rescue followed by Clarify or Calm or some kind of vitamin A. And then when everything is kind of like calm and ready to go, that's definitely where I would incorporate my Catalyst AC11. That's like a DNA repair. So this product will actually heal any kind of damage that your skin have. It doesn't only like fix it, it prevent, it fix, and it reverse the damage. So if you have like hyperpigmentation, scarring, if you have like broken capillaries, even like boost, like if you want like a little eyebrow lift, if you feel that starts sagging, this product is really, really nice. They're all medical grade products, so that means that compared to what you would get to Shoppers or Sephora, they're proven that you will actually what they do, right? They're actually active. They go straight to your derm and plump and give the ingredient. It's about 600 times more potent than what you would get. It's just at a regular drugstore. So when it comes to serum, that's definitely where you want to invest your money. I mean, cleanser is a cleanser, moisturizer, it's a moisturizer, but you want your active good ingredient into a serum like this one. So yes, definitely recommend Rescue. Actually, I'll put like a link below that you can click, like amazing results of my client with it, like a couple of days. Like dry spot, eczema, inflammation, everything. If your epiderm is impaired, Rescue is your go-to, and it's not just sensitive skin. Like I said, I don't have a sensitive skin at all, but having this product, it just calm everything. Pore size, it's beautiful. So so we do have an online store. So if you're curious about the product, I'll put the link below. We also offer a free virtual consultation. So if you're curious about the product, you're not 100% sure maybe which one is good for you, how to apply them, if you have question about something else, we're here for you. So those are completely free. We ship all over Canada. Not a problem. And I'll put more video right there, so you can keep on watching about like more Osmosis product. So if you have any question, comment below. Make sure that you're following me on social media, and can't wait to see you soon. Bye bye.